Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today my friend Madeline is here from Arizona.
Hello.
So we decided we would paint together. This is Madeline.
Hello, nice to meet you.
And what we're gonna do today is we just came back from the Van Gogh immersion.
Yes.
And we're going to paint Van Gogh. We're going to see how that works out.
Yeah.
So we'll be right back. And we're going to use the pre-mixed paints because we were very busy today. And so we're going to use Artist Loft pre-mixed paints. And I'll list all the colors down below. Okay, be right back. Okay, we're back with Madeline from Arizona. And we already laid down our Artist Loft. And we're gonna start. With our colors. So Madeline says she wants to do a lot of blues. So we have all these Artist Loft paints here in blues.
Perfect.
And I'm gonna try and play around with a sunflower, but I'll use some blues in my background. So do you want me to start, Madeline?
Yes, please.
Go with it however you want. Yeah. Anyway, any which way. Another thing I'm thinking would be a nice ring pour, like
A circle, a spinning.
when you
something?
make a ring.
Yeah, let me see how you do
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
I never
Yeah.
did that.
So we use a small
Yeah,
cup,
show me this technique.
Yeah.
Okay.
and then you can
More-
put that right in the middle.
Okay.
So we can use start out. Okay. So I'm gonna do it, but I'll show you.
Yes, I want to learn.
Okay.
I'm learning. I'm just
So.
learning.
We're gonna see the opposite way.
Oh, you go the opposite way.
Okay, so now it's gonna start.
the bark of a tree or something. It transforms. Transforming. Look at me. Look at that, the layers. It's awesome.
Yeah.
So that's how you make those kind of layers. I sort of like it like that. See these edges? I sort of like it like that.
Yeah.
I like it like that. I'm satisfied.
No, you can't. You gotta move it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, but it looks so cool.
So this is what we do. We could torch it now. Torch it first a little bit. See how it should be okay.
Now we have to move it.
Yeah, I gotta move it slow because to keep the integrity. Gotta go slow. Slow.
Oh, it's still smoothing. Layers. Oh, that looks like an eyeball in the middle. It looks like somebody. Fascinating how these melt together. These gorgeous colors. Oh, I swear that looks like an eyeball. What's happening in there?
Try to keep some of your
Corner.
top, yeah.
Probably more of this.
Yeah.
corner.
Try and keep that.
That looks
that to
great.
go
That looks
down,
like a
yeah.
facade. I love that. I
Yeah.
love that.
Keep that.
Yeah. And this.
What you do there is you take a step underneath
Oh, okay.
and you put clean
Around this, so the
around the
drips.
bottom. Yeah. And because it changes, your painting will change as it's
Settling.
settling. I think we
Both
have two
of them.
beautiful paintings. Yeah.
Both of them. Well,
Really
we're
nice.
inspired by
Really nice.
Van Gogh's oranges, tell you the truth, and the yellows.
Yeah, yeah.
You know, we saw a lot of that today.
Fine. Okay, so I'll take you in for a close-up, and you'll see how beautiful these look close up. The Artist Loft paints are great in a pinch when you don't have time to mix your paints yourself. So, yeah, this is Donna from Hollywood, California, and Madeline.
Thank you so much
From
for sharing.
Arizona.
Yes.
Madeline from Arizona, my friend visiting. We really enjoyed painting together today.
And I learned a lot. And I learned a lot today.
And Madeline said she learns a lot. I'm excited.
Me too. I am
So, everybody be well out there. Thank you for coming. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And please remember, Daisy, the auction is still going on. So please go bid on those sunflowers. We have Cynthia Porter Studios. I will leave the link down below to go to the Facebook page to bid on those beautiful sunflowers. There's so many of them there. And beware that we are having a great Halloween celebration. There is going to be 18 artists, and they're not just fluid artists. We have artists internationally. You're going to be amazed at what we have. We have sketches. We have acrylic paint artists. We have artists that work with pens and do illustrations. It is going to be such an affair. It's going to be an event of the century, that's for sure. Well, an event of the year at least. I have never seen anything like it before, and I don't think you have either. And that's going to be October 30th and October 31st. And pretty soon you'll be seeing some advertising for that. So let's not forget about that. And that's it. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Everybody be well, stay safe. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now.